enlisted in the military because I wanted to go to college, and the Ohio Army National Guard paid 100% tuition. I really did that for my girls. I have 2 daughters, hoping it would inspire them to want to get their bachelor's degrees.
I joined the National Guard in 2009. It was the end of my senior year of high school. Went to Ohio State for my undergrad. I graduated, started looking around. TQL just kept coming up over and over again. I've been a team lead, a supervisor, now a manager and senior manager. Some of the leadership skills that I got in the military, I don't know that I could have gotten anywhere else.
So Morgan noticed a job application. She said, "Mom, it's right up your alley. You really need to check it out." And so I did, and I've been here since. When I heard about all the military benefits TQL gives their employees, I was so excited. When you're deployed for a year and you see these same people day in and day out, that's your family. And when they bring us home from a deployment, that bond, you miss it. You miss that bond. And I think with what TQL is doing to support the troops while they're gone, it means everything.
TQL sent me this massive care package with all of my favorite snacks in it. People in my unit weren't getting things like that from their employers. They'd say, that came from your work? And I was like, yeah. And then the next question was always, where do you work? The really great thing this year was getting to help out at the Helpy Hour, building the care packages. You got to go online and build your own care package for either a soldier or for a child of a deploying soldier.
Now we know we're helping with the morale of other soldiers and families that are deployed.